Hey guys, hi! And today we will be making slime because I'm bored. And metallic, silver glue with it. Metallic glue, glitter glue, clear pink glue, this glue, this activator, this activator, this activator, this activator, and this activator. And we also have this glue. I was hiding. Anyway, we're about to be making slime. So first thing first, we've got an arrow bowl and a spoon. So then we're gonna take this out right here. Oh, okay. We're gonna pour the glitter glue in. I'm gonna let you do one of each. And yeah, there we go. I need okay. So the glitter glue is out. She's this. Look. Oh God. Okay. Okay. That was a little bit too fast. And this glue, dump it in. Oh, guys, that looks so pretty. I might just do this. I might just do the pretty colors. God. Okay. I'm gonna have to do some of this. Okay. It won't open. Why won't it open? I may need help. I might need help. But we'll cut the camera off because I need help. I'm back, guys. I am back. Okay, so now we're gonna pour in this glue. Oh God. Oh God. That's good. Should I add? It looks really pretty right now. But that's how it looks. Right there. Okay, so I have this right here. I'm gonna add it. Even though it doesn't look that bad. I mean, like it's yellow. It's pretty cool. Okay. So, and this is actually tan color glue, so it's actually red too. Now, what activator should I use? This, I gotta have confetti in it. Metallic will be metallic. And glow in the dark. I'm gonna use foamy activator because I never used this one before. So let's just dump it in. Dump it in. Wait. Oh God, I'm so dumb. Look at it. It's sealed. Okay, no wonder it wasn't coming out. I'm like, is it this hard to come out? Pop that open. Like that. Down. And bruh, I want foam beads too. Right. Let's go. Foam beads. Wow. Mix this up. Guys! I like to be like a little child. Like a little kid. Like, oh, wow. Okay. I'm not gonna stop. Look at that though. It doesn't look that bad. I mean, like, it doesn't look a lot bad. It has glitter in it. It has glitter in it. I really like that part. Should I go with my hands already? I am. Look at it. I'm going to add my Ultron. I forgot I have my Ultron. It's fine. It's fine. Go. Turbo mix. Turbo mix. Okay, so let's just mix this around. Mix this around. Ows. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. More activator, the more foam beads. Mix. Mix. Try it. Anyway, so why y'all got so Chad? Anyway, so I'm just working in the slime because I feel like it's got a whole bunch of glitter glues. Yeah. It came. Shh. Okay, it came together. It came together. Perfectly. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Foamy slime. What's this? A pet? This made a pretty cool color. It's pretty neat. Pretty neat. Okay, I'm gonna mush it around with this. There you go. Topped off. I'm not gonna use that activator. I just want the fun beads. Wow. Wow. Can I pick out the fun beads? Wow, guys. Well, so that's pretty much it for today's video. This video is 4 minutes long. Yeah, that's pretty much like it. It's just a random slime video. I'm gonna show you guys up close. Go around the camera and look at that stretch. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. And yeah, that's the finished project. So comment down below if you guys like this slime. Because I do. I love it. Bye.